Sweetie is here. I'm super excited with this package as I took advantage of the anniversary sale. And I picked up a few goodies that I've had my eye on. Plus, I've got some interesting sets that Sweetie has sent along for me to check out. I might make this a quick one because I have so much great stuff to work on this week. So let's dive right into these goodies and see what we've got. Okay. Let's start with the more boring stuff first. So I use a lot of From the Nail. And I do have a matte top coat, but I figured I'd pick up their Glam Top Gel for doing over top of any of my From the Nail products because I use them just so often, so much. Now I did pick up a bunch of chromes. I grabbed 4 of them. Got here W01. This is called Laser Bombboom Powder. Bombboom powder. Maybe it is Bombboom. Looks like we got a purple hue going there. W21. Oh, that is a super purple flash with that yellow tint, it looks like. Or is it green? Yeah, maybe green. So this is W21, Whisper That You Love Me. W47. This one's My Heart Skipped a Beat. And that looks like a really soft reddish pink tone. Ooh, this one is super bright pink. I didn't know that. So, well, actually it's peach. This is W55 Sweet Peach Dream. So I don't see too much of a shift there, but this looks like it'll be fun. I'm always excited to add chromes to my collection. I'm finally starting to feel like I can gauge the color shifts a bit better. So hopefully these ones are actually all new to me and not duplicates of anything that I've got already like in another brand. And I actually decided to try out that chrome home idea that's been going around the past year or two so that I can get a clear idea of exactly what color shifts I have and if I might be missing any like really good ones. So I picked up this perfectly sized plastic storage tote in my last Temu haul and I wanted to just test it out and it seems to be the perfect size. So now I just need to go and order like 3 or 4 more and this is how I'll store my new chromes. Well, all my chromes from now on. So they fit perfectly inside each of these little containers along with their little eyeshadow applicator. And then on the outside of the container, wherever you decide, you can easily put swatches over different colors. So black, white, nude, all that kind of good stuff. So I'm really excited for that. It should make it a lot easier to sort through my chromes and have a better idea of what I have instead of using my typical swatch sticks like I've been doing up until this point. So then I got this Grady set from Liwa. And the reason, okay, well, we made it. I think I made a mistake. I was supposed to order the first collection, not the second one, because I had already gotten Grady 2 and absolutely loved it. It is such an incredible set. And so this is beautiful. And I wanted to check out the original first set because it was a lot more primary colors, your typical colors. These ones are really muted and beautiful. I just wanted something that's more a variety of regular primary type colors. So I figured that I would get the first set and this set here, I fell in love with it. The formula is so amazing and the color payoff, just everything about them was fantastic. The only thing I had an issue with was stamping with them was a little bit trickier. And so what I wanted from the sale was the Chrisania Neri Pat Gels. And I was hoping for the 2 palettes that she's put out, because I've heard they work really well for stamping, and that's something I really wanted to test out. But sadly, both Pat palettes were sold out. They just always seem to fly off the shelves every time they're restocked. So I broke down and ordered the Grady set instead, since I already know that I'm gonna love the colors. So it would seem though that I ordered the second one again by accident. That's okay, I make mistakes sometimes. So then the other thing is that Sweetie sent along this Fiote concealer gel for me for trying out stamping. Apparently These are Fiote's version of like pat pat gels, stamping, pat pat gels, gradient gels, ombre gels, whatever you want to call them. And these are apparently supposed to be phenomenal for stamping. So I'm excited to try that out and see how well I can stamp with that, because I love stamping and I do a lot of it. So then I picked up this set here. This is from the Nails Romantic Comedy Collection. And that's numbers F174 through 181. It's not a brand new release, so it's in the standard packaging that they have with the standard colored card. And this one was kind of an oopsie. I came across a post talking about a white cat eye gel from F Gel, and I just had to have it. So, of course, even though I tried picking up just this single polish, which is actually not even white. It is a, like, off-white, very off-white, like a very kind of a nude tan off-white, which is still okay. It still looks really pretty. But I was looking for a white cat eye. And of course I tried picking up just the single polish, but I wasn't fooling anyone. And of course, before I checked out, I ended up switching it out for the entire full collection. But hey, that's okay. I'm still pretty happy with the idea, because I surprisingly didn't seem to have very much for like pink cat eye polishes. So this is definitely an amazing looking collection of magnetic pinks. So that should be a lot of fun. And I mean, you can't have too many pinks, no matter what, whenever you're doing something, because pink nails just end up being a thing all the time, no matter what. So I think these round magnets, yes, these round cylinder magnets came with that F Gel set, the Romantic Comedy. And then it looks like for their anniversary sale, they were including some extra little goodies for your orders. And this is a switch wheel from Nature Vital Mask. Oh, moist gloves therapy. Oh, this will be nice. My hands are always dried out and nasty. And they also included, oh my gosh, this is adorable. It's their own little Sweetie Nail Supply acrylic keychain. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I love it. Okay. Then, of course, they were fabulously wonderful and included some PR for me to check out. And I'm really fascinated because both of them are brand new brands for me. These are just the little sponges that go with the Grady set. So both of these are brand new brands for me. I've never tried them out. The Nailbayo is the Doi Nudi Syrup Gel Set, number 6. There's 7 of them, 2, 4, 6, 7. And they've got some really lovely like nude tones for syrup gels. I'm really excited for this because at this point, I've only really got one collection of nude syrup polishes, and that's my Blossom Ending collection from Yogurt Nail. I absolutely love it, but you know, it's the only one I've got. And so I love to try out other brands and see, you know, what kind of different color shades there might be. There's a lot of like browns and tans in this, and my Blossom Ending has a lot of pinks, I think, and peaches. So there's even a really neat blue, and I thought one of them had a green shade to it, but no, it looks like it says fog gray here. So this will be kind of neat to check out. Got some ideas for that. This one's dusty blue. It's got almost like a greeny gray quality to it, almost. These seem like a really nice formula. Yeah, very different colors than what I've got in my Blossom Ending, so that is cool. These are really different and unique compared to what I own. And then this last one here is Miro. And these are layering magnetic gels. So I'm really excited to look into this and kind of get some ideas. It'll be interesting to see what the difference is with a layering magnet gel and how best to use it. as opposed to, say, your typical magnetic gels. These also, I think, have an amazing price point. Oh, look at that beautiful blue. Holy. That is just a gorgeous saturated color. Oof, there's a purple in here too. I'm super excited now. Let me see this purple one. Oh, well, that's interesting. The blue one is like extremely vibrant. And then this one is like an iridescent aurora effect almost. It's not like a blazing purple like I was expecting it might be. That's different. What about this one? Oh, see, there you go. Another blazing, like super vibrant. That's blue. That's a beautiful, beautiful royal blue. Oh, wow. And look at how super smooth and white that silver is. Such a nice silver. I like that. I can't wait to see how these work. They look like they'll be a lot of fun. Well, there it is. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that one. I was a good girl and I behaved myself and I didn't go too crazy. Really proud of myself, and still picked up some really cool goodies and had a lot of fun shopping the anniversary sale. So thanks so much for being here. If you've enjoyed watching, give it a share, as it really helps my channel grow, and that means I can make more videos. So if you love nail art as much as I do, check out this next one or hit that haul playlist for more shopping goodies. Of course, as always, until next time, don't forget to love your nails. Bye!